What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. As you guys saw by the title, we are doing a challenge today. Me and Ed right here. We are gonna do a challenge where the most profitable item at each thrift store gets you a point, and the winner is the one with the most points, and loser buys lunch. So let's see who wins. First Goodwill, let's go see what we get. We have found absolutely nothing, but we're going through clothes. I think I already have one. He's still looking for his. Ed said he found something. He got the whole store. Let me see it. How many shirts are you gonna get? So. Oh yeah, you totally beat me. There's no way I beat this. For how much? Oh, that's a deal. That's 30 bucks each. Here in the hats, right here, I found this vintage Chicago Bears. They want $6. I'm still thinking about it, but it's a pretty cool find. The only find that I got is this Nike. This is a Tiger Woods one. They sell way better. I'll pay $7 for this one. This one should give me 25. You won this one, Ed. You won it. Ed right away found some NASCAR. Pretty cool. Alright, found some dunks, some UT dunks. Never seen these before, but 14 bucks. I'll pick them up. Alright guys, I picked up a lot more good stuff. Ed is the cameraman right now. Picked up these Nike React 270s, $5. Should get about 30. They're kid size, so it'll be a little bit slower sell. But got some Brooks also. They want $10 for these. These should give me 40. These are the newer model of Brooks. Oops. Some Air Max 90s. These are, I don't even know if these are Air Max 90s. I'll look these up. I'll see if these are even worth it because they want 15 bucks. A little Buzz Lightyear. My daughter loves Toy Story right now, so $3.50. I'm gonna pick this up. Even if it wasn't for her, I think this will sell. I think I've sold these before. And it works. Two clothing pieces. This polo jacket right here. It's a nice one. Zip up. It's the one with the line inside. They want 15 bucks, but I'm pretty confident I should get like 50 bucks for this one. And another amazing find that I had, $7. It's a Dale NASCAR pullover sweater. It's a 2XL, but it fits like an extra large. And that's it. I won this store challenge because Ed says he found this little Russell vintage, but I told him that won't sell. His little t-shirts won't sell, so definitely won this one. Next stop is this little tiny thrift store. Let's see who's gonna win this one.
I gotta win, bro.
Oh.
Got him!
Oh, it's locked. Dang it. On to the next. Next stop. Hopefully Ed can win this one. It's 1-1, so let's go see who gets this point. He has not looked that one up.
Can't someone wants to hit me up for rock, man?
He doesn't know if it needs a dongle.
PS3 controller for...
That's probably his best find he has for $3. He'll probably sell it for like 20.
Goddamn Yeezys.
Get some Yeezys.
Got the grip,
Right, I got 2 pairs of shoes. I think my finds are better than Ed's. But for only 15 bucks, These should give me about 55 to 60. They're amazing condition. And a brand not a lot of people know, but a brand that I'm always looking for. It's called Ofos. They're like, they make a lot of comfort shoes and stuff, but they only want $5.50 for these. These should give me 30, 35. I found a couple other stuff. These BKE jeans, they're very good. These are boot cut, very in style. I'll be getting them for $8.99. They should sell about 30, 35. Probably the best find of today. Orange tab vintage Levi jeans for only $8.99. Should get $60 to $90 on these. Keep an eye out on the orange tab. All right, Ed, what are you gonna compete with? What's your item for today?
That best profit.
2 into 20. Yeah, you lost this one. Sorry. On to the next one. Dang it, it is closed. So that means I officially win. Sorry, Ed. We decided to get Blaze Pizza. I've never been here, but Ed said it's pretty good. So let's go see if it's actually good. It's a good place. Good pizza.